Remainder and factor theorems. The objective of this video is to divide polynomials using long division. So first we want to take a look back into Algebra 2 and divide this polynomial by one of its factors. So I know that my polynomial is x to the fourth minus 4x to the third plus 5x squared minus 4x plus 4. And I want to take this and I want to divide by one of the factors. Now the factors must be given to you, or you would need to use a graphing calculator to graph this polynomial and see what one of the factors could be. By graphing my calculator, I can see that there is a 0 at 2. However, I want to divide by a factor, so if my 0 is 2, my factor would be x minus 2. Because x minus 2 equals zeros can be solved to give me x is equal to 2. So let's divide by x minus 2. Then we want to see what can we multiply x with to get our first term, x to the fourth power. So that's going to be x to the third power. So x to the third power is x to the fourth, and negative 2 times x to the third power is negative 2x to the third power. Then we want to take everything and we want to subtract. So my x to the fourth is canceled out. And then you want to be careful because we are saying negative 4 minus negative 2. So that really is negative 4 plus 2, which is negative 2x to the third power. Then we want to bring down our 5x to the second. Now we want to multiply. What times x can give you negative 2x to the third? So that will be negative 2x to the second. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4x to the second. Again, we are going to subtract. So negative minus a negative is cancels out. 5 minus 4 is 1, x to the second. Then we want to bring down negative 4x. You want to make sure that you are lining up every degree underneath each other so as to avoid confusion. So this x times what can give you x squared? That's just another x. So that is x squared minus 2x. Again, we want to subtract. So negative 4 minus negative 2 is the same thing as negative 4 plus 2, so negative 2. And then we're talking about x. So lastly, we're going to bring down the 4. So positive 4. So that's going to give me a negative 2. So negative 2x. Negative and a negative is positive 4. And then we are going to subtract. So negative 2 plus 2 cancels out. 4 minus 4 also cancels out. So our remainder is 0. Notice how I've lined up all of my x to the fourth powers, x to the third powers, x squared, all my x, and all of my constants so that I can keep everything in check.